Welcome and hi, my name is Nur Shafika Zarin binti Muhammad Shu'aib. Today I will talk about photodiode, LED and laser diode. In this video, we'll talk about definition, symbol, working principle, type and application of photodiode, LED and laser diode. Photodiode is a type of PN junction semiconducting device. An intrinsic layer exists between the positive and negative layer. To generate an electric current, the photodiode accepts light energy as an input. Other names of photodiode are photodetector, photosensor, and light detector. Here are the symbol of photodiode. The symbol is similar to LED, but the arrow point inward as opposite to outward in LED. Working principle is that when a photon with sufficient energy impacts the diode, it creates a pair of electron holes. The inner photoelectric effect is another name for this mechanism. If the absorption occurs in the depletion area junction, the inherent electric field of the depletion region removes the carrier from the junction. As a result, hole in the region migrate toward the anode and electron toward the cathode, generating a photocurrent. Mode of operation of photodiode. They have three modes: photovoltaic mode, photoconductive mode, or valence diode mode. An application of photodiode is switching, high-speed counting, AC couple signaling, and many more. This stands for light-emitting diode. Is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current flows through it. When current travels through LED, electrons recombine with holes, resulting in light. And here is the symbol of LED. The LED symbol is the standard symbol for a diode, with an addition of two small arrows denoting the emission of light. Working principle of LED. The minority electrons are sent from P to N, whereas the minority holes are sent from N to P. When the diode is forward biased, the concentration of minority carrier grows along the junction boundary. At the intersection, the extra minority carrier recombine with the majority charge carrier. On recombination, the energy is released in the form of photon. The energy is emitted in the form of heat in conventional diode. However, energy is emitted in the form of photon in light-emitting diode. Type of LED, we have miniature LED, high-power LED, flash LED, and many more. Application of LEDs as indicated in AC current, alphanumeric and numeric display. The diode is a semiconductor device that generates high-intensity coherent light utilizing a technique called laser. Coherent light refers to light signals that have the same phase and frequency as those generated by the device. This diode operates on the same basis as LED's stimulated emission. Of laser diode, as we can see in the picture above, different materials such as metal contact, P-type material, N-type material, and intrinsic layer can be used to build a laser diode. Metal plates are inserted into the P-type and N-type layer, and the input terminal of these are connected to them. Homojunction laser diode is another name for this diode. Working of laser diode takes place in three main steps. The first is energy absorption, second is spontaneous emission, and third is stimulated emission. Type of laser diode. There are four main types of laser diode. The first one is double heterostructure laser diode, quantum wave laser diode, spread confinement heterostructure laser diode, and the fourth is vertical cavity surface emitting laser diode, a VCSEL. An application of laser diode is consumer electronic, medical machine, and many more. So that's all from me. Thank you for lending your ear and thank you for your time. Thank you.